Helix bracelet. Thousands of frequencies, thousands and thousands of healing frequencies, codes, and the works. These are the different sizes, men's and women's. Rainbow colors, perfect for the rainbow pendant. They're all different. Not all of them are the same. Not all of them are colored the same. Whatever you get is what you get. They're beautiful. I'm wearing one myself. Again, thousands and thousands of healing frequencies. The possibilities are endless. These pendants, charms, bracelets, wristbands, bangles, whatever you want to call them, are the ultimate healing devices on the planet. There's nothing better than this, and there probably won't ever be anything better than this if you leave it up to me. There's no competition, and that's just that. I'm satisfied with the healing. I'm satisfied with the testimonies, and we're just going to continue to finish healing our planet, our world, our galaxy, and then the universe. We mean business here at Holotech, and you know, we don't care what anybody says, including the trolls, Luciferians, Cabal, whatever you want to call yourselves. evil doers. Y'all finished in more ways than one. Helix bracelets are available right now. Get them while they hot. Get them while they hot. All right, love you guys. Have a good night.